guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new hair unboxing. So as you all can see, we got it right here. This hair is from Ossilee hair. So I have done a review for them before, like actually recently. So I ordered a 34-inch deep wave wig. I'm going to link that video in the description box, and I'm probably going to add like some pictures of that wig and stuff. But so many of you all reached out to me and told me like y'all love the hair, y'all ordered it, it looked exactly like mine, and that's really what matters. So I did buy that wig myself, but Ossilee found that video and was like, hey, we want you to try our straight wig. I believe this is 30 inches, 250% density. So I'm going to unbox this one. I hope you all enjoy this video. We're going to jump right into it. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Let me go ahead and get this sucker open. So, like, I always love to hear y'all, like, respond. Let me know if y'all got the same hair. If y'all feel like y'all hair looked the same as mine did on the video. I love to hear that. So, if you all do decide to order this wig, let me know, like, how y'all feel about that wig, too. But, here's the bag. This is exactly how the last wig came. I was thinking, like, I love that deep wave wig so much. I got so many compliments on it. I still have it, but like me, I like to switch between like straight hair and curly hair. Like, I like curlier hair for maybe 2 weeks or so. We're going to go ahead, open it. So it's not like they did something special for me because they sent me this. Like, this is exactly how my last wig came. So here's the wig cap. And here is, came with some lashes, you all, so that's cutesy. And here is the wig. Let's go ahead and take it out. So let me see. They didn't put the density on here, but I believe it's 250%. I'm going to check my email and see what it says. But that wig was really bomb. It is bomb. I still have it. The deep wave one from them. So, okay, the lace is giving. I can look. This lace looks invisible. This lace looks invisible. Like, can y'all see it? Like, really look at it. Like, you can barely see that lace. That is really the key for me. Like, having a fantastic lace can just make the wig. Even if it's not true to length, if it's, like, fantastic, I can deal with it. But we gonna get out the measuring tape and all of that. Y'all know I got my tape measurer on the floor over here. But look at that. That lace is, where is it? So I'm kind of like, I'm really like excited because the last video I did, like, I have a wig behind me on my little dresser over there that I'm actually sending back, that I bought from Aliexpress because the lace is just too dark to work with. So that's why I'm really hype about this. But here's the hair, you all. It is thick. It's pretty thick. She's pretty thick. Like, here it is. Like, I feel like, so I haven't had 30 inches in a while. So, like, lately I've been getting 36, 40-inch wigs. So I really got to measure this because I forgot where 30 inches really falls. But it's silky and all that. I'm living for that. No shedding right now. It does have, like, a hair smell to it, but it's not, like, a bad smell. But you all know how, like, hair smells. It's giving. Here are the ends. The ends are thick. This is some really soft hair. I'm super excited about that, but the lace, like, look at that. Y'all see that? Like, or do y'all not see that? Because I don't see it, basically. Like, look at how close it is. This is the most invisible lace I ever seen. Like, I'm not even just saying that. Like, this is the most invisible lace I've ever seen. That's insane. Like, when I put this on, that's some invisible stuff. So let me take this off. Like, excuse me. Like, here's the lace. If you all can't see it, like, the lace is actually here. Like, here it is. So this is some really nice lace. I'm sorry, I'm saying that a lot, but I was really amazed. So when I put it on my hand, here it is. So you all can kind of see it, but it's still like pretty invisible. So it's right here. So the lace looks good. This is a 13 by 4. So here is like the actual construction of the wig. So it does go back a little bit over here, and you maybe get 2 inches on the side. A lot of companies are doing that now for some reason. So that's something to think about, but this is some good lace. You can definitely do a middle part with this, but you're gonna have to probably like make it work a little bit if you want a side part. But the hair is really pretty. So look at these sleeves really taken away from my drama. But here is the hair. This is thick and this is pretty gorgeous. I'm super excited. Everything looks fantastic right now. And that lace really looks like invisible. This is probably the best lace. Well, this may be some of the best lace I've seen. I gotta like actually lay it. It's definitely in the top 2. It's in the top 2 for sure. But it's giving. The thickness is there, but we gotta measure the hair. We gotta measure it out. I almost forgot. We gotta measure the hair. Of course, I'm gonna install this and all of that for you all later. I may not install it on camera, but I'll install it, of course, and review it after I've worn it. But look at how thick this is. Like, look at, it's the ends for me. It is the ends for me. I got this little measuring tape backwards, I think. I feel like my house is just too quiet to where I'm kind of like scared. Like, I don't know, it's a little too quiet in here. But here is the length. Yep, it's definitely true to length. So look, here, let me get close so you all can see. So there it is. The ends are a little curly. So yeah, it's hitting 30. It's about 29.5, 30. Definitely hits 30 though, so that's good. But I'm really excited to wear this. Let me know if y'all have already tried the hair from them, their straight hair. Like a lot of you all had already tried the deep wave from them when I did my other review. But I'm excited. This hair is really soft. It's really soft. And let me also, if you all ordered the deep wave wig, let me know you all's experiences. A lot of you all were telling me, like, some of you all told me that you all had a really good experience with them as far as their customer service. So that means a lot too. But okay, I'm feeling this 30-inch. Like, okay. I do think it may be big head friendly, like it stretches and all of that. Of course, I gotta actually put it on, but I'm feeling it. Like, it's giving. This may end up being one of my favorite straight wigs, like straight wig companies. I would love if Ossilee was like the one-stop shop for deep wave, straight hair, loose wave, or something like that. So I definitely want to try more textures, but right now I'm impressed. We gonna see, but I'm impressed right now. That is basically it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. I'm going to link this hair in the description box. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.